Have you ever wondered how to sue for debt in India? It's no secret that debt recovery can be a tricky process, often buried in legal jargon and complex procedures. Yet, it's a crucial aspect of financial stability, particularly when you've exhausted all other avenues. Sometimes, taking legal action becomes an unavoidable necessity. But don't worry, it's not as daunting as it might seem. In the next few minutes, you'll understand the procedure to legally recover your debt in India. Before you initiate legal action, there are a few steps you should consider. The first step is to send a legal notice to the debtor. This is a formal communication that states the intention to initiate legal proceedings if the debt is not paid. It's a crucial step, and often, the mere threat of legal action can compel the debtor to pay up. Next, consider trying to negotiate and settle the issue out of court. This can be a more amicable and cost-effective solution. Engage in dialogue with the debtor. Propose a payment plan or a settlement amount. Remember, a good negotiation can save both time and money. Finally, ensure you have gathered all necessary documents and evidence. This includes loan agreements, promissory notes, and any other relevant documents. Your case will stand on the strength of this evidence. If these steps do not yield the desired results, it's time to take the matter to court. So, the pre-legal actions didn't work. Now, it's time to file a suit. The first step in filing a suit is drafting a plaint. This is a legal document that lays out your claim against the debtor. It includes details like the amount owed, the cause of the debt, and your attempts to recover it. Remember, precision is key here. Next, attach any supporting documents to your plaint. These can be anything from written agreements to emails, or any evidence that supports your claim. Then comes the payment of court fees. The amount varies depending on the value of the claim and the specific court. Don't worry, this isn't a loss. If you win, the debtor will have to reimburse this fee. Finally, submit the plaint and the documents to the court. This is the official commencement of your legal action against the debtor. Once the suit is filed, the court will issue a summons to the debtor. After the debtor receives the summons, the court proceedings begin. It's a process that may feel daunting, but it's important to understand that this is the legal avenue to reclaim what you're rightfully owed. The first stage is the debtor's response. Here, the debtor has an opportunity to refute the claims made against them, presenting their side of the story. It's a crucial stage because it sets the tone for the rest of the proceedings. Next, we move to the examination of witnesses. During this stage, both parties can call upon witnesses to testify on their behalf. The witnesses' testimonies are vital pieces of evidence that can sway the case in either direction. Once the witnesses have had their say, it's time for the arguments. This is the stage where both parties present their case in the most compelling manner, backed by the evidence gathered. The lawyers play a pivotal role here, employing their legal acumen to convince the court of their client's position. Finally, we reach the judgment stage. Here, the court, after considering all the evidence and arguments from both sides, pronounces its decision. This is the culmination of the court proceedings, the moment where the scales of justice finally tip. Once the court gives its judgment, the debtor is legally obligated to pay the debt. The journey through the court proceedings may seem long and arduous, but let's remember, it's a journey towards justice, ensuring that debts are not just moral obligations, but legal ones too. So, that's how you sue for debt in India. We've navigated the complex labyrinth of the Indian legal system together, and we've learned a lot. From understanding the importance of pre-legal actions, like sending a legal notice and attempting mediation, to the intricacies of filing a suit, drafting the plaint, attaching the necessary documents, and paying the court fee. We also delved into the court proceedings, discussing the examination of parties, the presentation of evidence, and the final arguments. Each of these steps is crucial in the process of debt recovery. But remember, this is a general guide, and the specifics of your case may vary. It's always advisable to seek legal advice before initiating any legal proceedings. Legal professionals can offer guidance tailored to your unique situation. Stay informed and protect your rights. Knowledge is power, and with the right information, you can navigate the legal system with confidence.